Welcome guys to the first video of the new Godot 4 series. I acknowledge that I did say Godot 4 sucked in the first episode of this multi-month-old series, but I'd like to take that back. There's some cool features that aren't in Godot 3 that you just have to get used to. So click this button at this specific link in the description, I hope. And you will get this cool download zip file, and you just want to open your file explorer. Go in your downloads, and then you just extract. Just extract this thing. And you can just delete the zip. Put it somewhere where you can remember it. Somewhere that I'm going to remember it. So, just gonna paste in here. And it's gonna be right next to my Godot 3. I'm gonna... Actually, I should pin this to start. And then we actually have a stable edition of Godot 4.3, because before I was running beta. Not very stable. It doesn't seem to have been pinned to start, but we'll find out later. Alright, so now we want to open Godot. For some reason, my computer refuses to work with Godot, so I have to run it as an administrator. Alright, just double click. Oh, it runs. Actually, I'm going to run it as an administrator so nothing breaks down. Alright, now I have a ton of projects here. I was doing stuff, learning things about Godot, but we're gonna wanna create a new project. YouTube series. Godot 4.3 crash course. And of course, we're gonna look for an actual folder. Right here, new folder. Godot crash course. Select. And compatibility, because I'm never gonna use high quality graphics that crashes on anyone's PC. Alright, now we're just gonna let the engine load. I shall move it to big screen, and I should change my display window. No, this isn't right. Bam! It's huge now. It's huge. Now you guys can see everything. Alright, step 1 of learning Godot. Understanding where everything is. This is where your scenes are going to be layered. The objects inside. Down here is where your files are accessed. It's actually directly connected to File Explorer. You can actually edit your files in File Explorer instead, but that's just dumb because this is built in. And then we got Inspector, which is basically the settings of each of your nodes here. And we can get to this stuff later. First, you're going to want to import some random assets. And we're gonna go search for some assets. There's some good websites. I like itch.io. You can always search for assets. And there's a ton of stuff. Most of the time, you're not gonna want much of this stuff, to be honest. Oh damn, this set of assets looks sick. Anyways, itch.io asset lib. Alright. And then here, now we have this stuff. Canny assets are honestly very consistent and good. But you might want to download something else. There's plenty of things to choose from. I'm not used to this page. What happened? What happened to this? 2D assets. Oh, there we go. Sproutlands is a very complicated pack that works very well. So we're just gonna pluck this out of nowhere. Let's download the basic pack because we don't have any money. We have no money. Thank you. Oh wait, we can just download this. Alright, we got the basic pack. There we go. And we're also gonna be experimenting with some other things. But for now, we're just gonna go back to Godot. And we're gonna drag those into our folder here that we just downloaded. Put it in your assets folder. And it should show up in Godot after you reload, after you click on it. Oh wait, no, it's in a zip. You gotta extract it first. Give me a second. Alright, now it should show up. There we go. Bam, Sproutlands, basic pack, and basic pack. And now we have all of this stuff. Yeah, they're all in PNG form, so we're good. We're good. Alright. We have all of the basic stuff set up already. Let's make a 2D scene. This is a root node. It does pretty much, it barely does anything, but it's very useful in certain situations, as you will see in the future. So we can just name this our world. We can save it. We can make a new folder called scenes. And then we can make another new folder, world. And then we can save it in here. And now we have this world scene that we can add stuff to.